So you got yourself a truck. Let's face it, you're not going to leave that thing stock. You want it to look tough. And the only way to make it look tough is stance and performance. So let's break down what comes in the box. We've got their tubular upper control arms with delta joints for added strength and durability. Beefy, vehicle-specific coilover shocks that are adjustable from 0 to 2.63 inches, letting you have more aggressive wheels and tires along with improved performance. Aluminum monotube rear shocks that balance the performance from front to rear, and all the hardware we need. These components are built to handle the toughest of terrains and to give you that extra ground clearance. So you've got the Icon Stage 2 suspension system installed, and I've got to tell you, the difference is night and day. Your ride not only looks more aggressive with that lifted stance, but the handling and performance improvements are undeniable. This kit gives increased wheel travel and a better ride. Just look at how this truck handles these trails now. With the Icon suspension, those bumps and obstacles will have you begging for more. It's like a whole new beast. The Icon Stage 2 suspension system is going to take your ride to a whole new level. This bad boy is designed to give your truck the ultimate off-road performance and an aggressive stance. You demand power, durability, and control, and that's exactly what this system delivers. If you want to know more about the Stage 2 suspension system from Icon Vehicle Dynamics or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.